Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys how I made my first $1,000 from the internet. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please make sure you smash this subscribe button, like, and then share this video. I'm a digital marketer for the past 6 years and I have not made such huge amount of money in my life. I found this opportunity on the internet and then I grabbed that opportunity, and behold, I made my first $1,000 from the internet. So I'll be sharing with you guys the secrets. How did I do it? And what step did I follow to make such a huge amount of money in just 1 week? So how did I make such huge amount of money from the internet? I got an opportunity to work as a remote developer from one of these job sites. So I'm going to be sharing which job sites can you use and then look for jobs that are ready to pay you that kind of money. So firstly, I'm going to recommend LinkedIn. So I'm going to show you how to get started with LinkedIn and then set up your LinkedIn account and then get ready for remote jobs. Every opportunity I'm going to share with you right here, they are going to be remote. You don't have to go anywhere. You can work from anywhere and then make your first $1,000 just like me in less than 1 week. So let's get started. So you go to linkedin.com. So LinkedIn has been in the market since 2002. So they are very, very popular. And then we have a lot of recruiters on the platform that are ready to employ those who are looking for job seekers. So I'll just go ahead and then click on it and then sign in. So it seems I have an account already. So I'll go ahead and then log in with my details. But if you are yet to have an account, make sure you sign up. And you can sign up using an email. So let me show you guys how to sign up. So you click on this link and then you put in your email, you put in your password, and then you click on agree to join. After that, follow every step you are asked to follow, and then you can log into your dashboard. I won't walk you through all this long process so that this video won't be very, very long. So go ahead and then put in your details or continue with your Google account. If you have your Google, sign in on your device. So let me just go ahead and then log into my account and then get ready to start applying for jobs. So I've been able to log into my LinkedIn dashboard, and then if you realize I've been able to customize my LinkedIn. I have my where I worked last, full stack developer at VSL Concept. So let's go through how did I set up my LinkedIn account to be job ready. So you go to your profile after you've been able to register, and then you click on settings and privacy. And then under your settings and privacy, you can set your name, your location, the industry you fall under. Okay, very good. This is how I set up my basic info, my full name, my headline, that's full stack developer at VSL Concept. Then I can add my current position if I'm currently working in a particular in a particular company. Then I set my education and then location and contact information. So I'll just go back. So next, I'm going to set it up if I'm open to jobs or I'm providing service. So on your LinkedIn account, write about yourself, a compelling story about yourself that when a recruiter comes to check up on your profile, it's convincing enough. So this is what I have. I said I have 6+ years of experience and I'm looking to join a team with whom communication and teamwork are paramount. Having intensive experience working with front and back end, I will jump at any opportunity to continue growing my skills. I feel this is excellent enough. You can replicate this or make edit based on your career pursuit. So after that, you can add the skills. So I can decide, okay, I'm really very, very good at WordPress, I'm good at Vue.js, I'm good at JavaScript, Flutter, MongoDB, and so on. So it's related to what I specialize in. So next, I was able to set up my experience. So on your LinkedIn, you have to set up your experience. Where have you worked? What do you do where you worked? And what skills were you able to practice where you work? So mine, I said, okay, I've worked at Softa, and then the location, is it hybrid, is it remote, is it on-site? And then I have like almost 3 places I've worked on LinkedIn as an experience. And then next I have my education, and then I was able to list every skills I know how to do. So what next do you need to do? You need to start connecting with friends. On LinkedIn, LinkedIn gives you the ability to connect with friends. So I can decide to connect with few of these people who are related to what I do. They are all related to programming. So I connect with them, because you don't know whether they are the ones that's actually going to give you those jobs that will land you that $1,000 from either a project. So you go ahead and then keep connecting with friends, and by the time you connect with friends, you can see their posts, they can also see your posts, and whenever you see job offers, you can easily grab into it. So let's go ahead and then go to the jobs. Very, very good. So on LinkedIn, we have a lot of jobs. You don't need to be carrying files up and down looking for job. We have a lot of jobs. Some are remote, some are physical. So we have this. We already have one applicant who has applied for this job. We have a lot. So let me click on view show all. So these are a lot of jobs you can apply for. So I'm just going to apply for one. I'll click on this, full stack engineer. And then the interesting thing is that you can apply directly from LinkedIn. So this job, you have to work on sites. And then it was posted 20 hours ago with over 23 applicants who has applied already. So I want us to work with remote jobs. I'll look for other ones under remotes. So we have this full stack React JS, and then you'll be making up to 75,000 euro per month. Then you go ahead and then apply. This is the official website where you can apply for this job. Go ahead and then sign in with your LinkedIn and then apply for the job immediately. So this is how you apply for jobs on LinkedIn, and anyone that works for you, they'll reach out to you through your mail. If after review you pass their review, and then they'll set up an interview for you. So the last thing we need to do here is to make sure that you set up your profile in a way that when recruiters come, they are going to see you as someone who is job ready. If you notice, I have a professional picture when I click on view profile. So I have a professional picture here, and then I have a professional cover. So when people who are hiring comes to check up on my profile, they will see that yes, I am job ready. The next platform I'm going to recommend for you guys is Indeed. Indeed is a very, very popular platform whereby you can apply for jobs, and we have a lot of people who have gotten jobs from Indeed at the moment. So let's go ahead and then see how it works. So Indeed was launched in 2004. It's an American worldwide employment website for job listing, launched in November 2004. It is in Germany and so on. So let's go ahead and then click on the link and see if we can sign up. So I'll just go ahead and click on continue as WHITEVON Digital. Okay, since I already have an account already, I really do not need to register. I really do not need to register. But if you are new to this platform, go ahead and then register. You don't have to sign in like me. Go ahead and then just type on your browser. Then this is the link you are going to click to sign up. Registering on these job sites are very, very easy. You don't need any extra things like ID card or anything. What you just need is your valid email address and then your phone number, and then you are good to go. So next, I'm going to put the job title I'm looking for, and then if you have a company you want to work for, you can put the company you want to work for, and then if you have a city you are targeting to work, you can put in that city you are targeting to work. So I'm going to put a full stack developer. Then I can specify, okay, remote. Then it's going to bring out jobs that are remote. I don't need to work on site. I'm going to pick where I want to work. Let me say I pick Lagos. Then I'll go ahead and click on find jobs. So we have a lot of jobs listed here. We have 350,000 naira monthly. We have 100,000 monthly, and so on. So we have a lot listed here, and all these ones are remote. You don't have to go to the office physically. So we have another one with 400 to 600,000 naira monthly. So let's go ahead and then apply for this job. So I'm going to recommend that while applying for this job, make sure you have your CV ready, because you will be asked to upload your CV. So I'll click on apply now. So I'm asked to fill in my details. Just go ahead and put in something. And then I'll put in my phone number. Okay, since it's option, I'm going to skip that. So I'll go ahead and then upload my resume. So it's important you have a very, very good CV, and click on continue. How many years experience do you have in PHP development? Let me say 6 years of experience. How many years of Symfony experience do you have? I'm going to put like 2 years, and then I'll click on continue. So enter a job that shows relevant experience. So I can put in my job experience. Let me say I'm senior full stack developer. And then I'm going to put the company, let's say VSL Concepts. And then I'll click on continue. So I'll go ahead and then review my applications if they are good to go. And then I'll submit application. So I've successfully applied for this job. So I'll just go ahead and then check my mail. Great. So my Indeed application are showed on my mail. So whenever I'm being accepted by the company, I'm still going to get a mail that, okay, they've been able to schedule an interview for me and so on. So you can view your application to track your application in case you want to track your application. So the next platform I'm going to be recommending for you guys to use and then start applying for jobs and start making money immediately if you have skills is Upwork. So Upwork was founded in December 2013. So let me just go ahead and then click on Upwork official website. So on Upwork, you can find talent in case you have jobs you want to give out, and then you can also work on Upwork. And every work you're doing on Upwork is done remotely. You don't have to meet any clients physically. It's done remotely. Let's have an overview of the page. So you will have categories on Upwork under development and IT, AI service, design creative, sales and marketing, writing and translation, admin and customer support, finance and accounting, engineer and architecture. So I don't think I have an account on Upwork. No, I don't have an account on Upwork. So we are going to go through the process of creating an account on Upwork and then see how we can get our account job ready. So I am a freelancer. I'm looking for job. So yes. So my account has been created successfully. Very, very simple. No stress. So guys, if you know you're enjoying this video, please make sure you smash the subscribe button, hit the like icon, and then make sure you share this video. Let other people too get value for the video. So I'll click on get started. So I'm going to click I am an expert in the skills I want to use for Upwork. So I want to earn my main source of income from this platform. Yes. So I'd like to find opportunity for myself. So you can upload your resume. So I'll just go ahead and then upload my resume. So since I've uploaded my resume, they were able to list out that, okay, I'm good at e-commerce development, Amazon, and so on. I can add to it if I want. I'm going to just leave it like this and then next add your experience. So because of the CV I uploaded, so they were able to figure out some of my experience, which they were not able to bring it out well because of how I designed my CV. So I can go ahead and then edit it and then put in my experience, for instance, full stack developer. And then I'm going to put in a company, VSL Concepts. And then location, Ikeja. Then country, Nigeria. So I'm going to just put end dates. So 2023. So I'm just going to put a description of what I did. Created several web templates. So I'll just go ahead and then delete this. You can add other work experience if you have. Go ahead and delete all this. Okay, great. Next, add your education. So they were able to figure out all this from the CV I've uploaded. So make sure you upload your CV. And then good, I can add this. Just go ahead and then continue. Then I'm going to upload the skills I'm good into. If you're into tech, you can put in some of the tech skills you are good into. So if you're into copywriting and so on, you put in your skills. And then I'm just going to use one, and then I'll go ahead and then next write an overview. So from my CV, they were able to get this. So I'll just remove all this, and then next I'm going to choose category. I'll just put web development, and then next. So I'm going to set my rate. How much do I want to be making per hour? I can decide to set $1,000 per hour. If you're not ready to pay me $1,000 per hour, do not message me. So I'm just going to $1,000 per hour is too strict. Let's say $80 per hour. If you're making $80 per hour, that means for 8 hours you're going to be making a lot of money. So they are going to take 10% freelance service fee from you, and then next add your photo and then location. So you go ahead and then upload a professional photo, and then after that you click on check your profile. So I'll just go ahead and then upload a photo. So it's very, very important to have a professional photo. So guys, if you know you are enjoying this video, please smash the subscribe button, like this video, and then share the video. So my photo has been successfully uploaded. So regardless of wherever you stay, it's not going to show. They already said won't show on your profile. So I think they are literally doing this just to be able to verify that you are real. I'm just going to put Harmony Estates. And I'm going to put a city. So I'm going to just put a zip code, And then next, I'm going to put my phone number. So looking good, WHITEVON, make any edits you want, then submit your profile so I can review and then make every edit. These are everything I've listed out, and then submit my profile. So after doing this, your account is job ready. So the last platform I'm going to be recommending for you guys is Fiverr. So we are going to see how Fiverr works and how you can start applying for jobs on Fiverr. So before we do that, let's try something. Let's click on submit profile. So very good. I'll click on browse jobs. Let me start browsing jobs. So these are jobs that matches my skills. So this is $10 to $25 hourly rates. Am I okay with this? So I'm going to advise you, before you start even applying for jobs on Upwork, make sure you have a proposal template. You can browse for proposal template, how to write a good and engaging proposal that will land you job, because you have a lot of people competing for the jobs you want to apply for. So you need to have a proposal template. There are a lot of proposal templates out there you can browse and then just edit to make sure it's fitting what you do, and then make sure you upload it whenever you are applying for jobs. And then it's also important you have a portfolio. A portfolio is what contains every job you've done and so on. It's important so that you can show your clients that you are exceptional, and then you have what it takes. So I'll click on apply now. This is where I'm going to upload my proposal. So I'm going to have a cover letter. This is what I'm saying. You should look for how to get a very nice cover letter that will engage whoever wants to give you a job. And then next, you can upload an attachment, which is a portfolio, your portfolio link, which shows that yes, you are good at what you say, you know how to do, and then you go ahead and then set your bid rate. How much do you want to charge for this job per hour? And then you send for it connect. The interesting thing about Upwork is that they give you 50 connects every month, so you can start applying for jobs on Upwork for free. After you've exhausted your 50 connects for the 1 month, you can decide to subscribe for more bid or wait for the next month and still be enjoying the package for free. So let's dive into Fiverr. So Fiverr has been in existence since let's check, when was Fiverr founded? So Fiverr was founded in the year 2010. They are kind of they've been on the market for long, so there's really no limit of how many jobs you can get on Fiverr. I have a lot of people who are making $10,000 per month on Fiverr, and I've also landed my first job too on Fiverr that I made $7,000 in a month. I've landed a job on Fiverr that made me $7,000 a month. So if you don't have an account, click on become a seller. So I'm going to click on become a seller because I want to sell my skills. So I'll click on become a seller, and then next, so they say what is your skills? I'll still click on this. Let me click on I am a web developer. They have a very good UI and UX design. So I'll just go ahead and continue with Google because I have a Google account signed in already. So I'll just continue with Google. So I'll go ahead and then click on join. So very good. I have my accounts. I've been able to register. They are it's very easy to register on most of these jobs platform. You don't need any extra information apart from your email address and then phone number. I'll click on my profile and then I'll click on settings. So I'm going to click on start selling. Then I'm going to choose which category did I fall in. I am a developer, yeah. And then I'll click on start selling. So guys, if you know you're enjoying this video, please make sure you smash the subscribe button, like this video, and then share. And if you know you find this video helpful, make sure you comment. I'll click on continue. Then I'll click on continue. So this is where you're going to be uploading your gigs and so on. So you put in your personal information first, your description, and then next your professional information. Then if you have a linked account, you fill in your linked account. Then next your account security. So I'm just going to take you through few steps. So I'll just upload a professional picture. So next I'm going to write a good description about yourself. It's very, very important. If you want to sell yourself, you need to have a good description, just like the way we had on our LinkedIn. So you develop a template that you know that, okay, if you send it to a recruiter, he's going to be confused, he or she. So the description, you have to be able to create a very, very nice template, just like the way we had on our LinkedIn, that can tell people about what you do, and then tell people about your experience, and then projects you've completed, and then so on. So I can just have something here. Okay, I think I have my CV here. So I'm going to paste what I have on my CV, and then paste. So I'm going to put in language, English. My English level, I'm going to put native and bilingual. And then I'll click on continue. Okay. So I'll click on continue. So next, I'll put in my occupation. I'm just going to put programming and tech, and then I'm going to select a category under it, web development, and then web programming. And then next, I'm going to put in skills. Let's say PHP, JavaScript. Okay, let me put my level for PHP experts. So you just have to take your time whenever you are filling this, so that your account can look very, very professional. My education, let's say I went to school in Nigeria. So college, they have a lot of college listed here. I'll put Ahmadu Bello University. Very good. So my title, I have a BSc in computer science. Then my year of graduation, I'm going to say 2023. And then I'm just going to add this. Then do I have any certification? If you don't have, you leave it. If you don't have the personal website, you just go ahead and then continue. Okay, just make sure you have you have added your years of experience and 2 to 5 of your strongest skills. Okay, we skip this. Let's say my years of experience from 2019 to 2023. Then I'll go ahead and then continue. So I already have my Google links, so I can just continue. And then next, I've been verified with email. I can click on continue, and then so I won't be allowed to continue until I verify my phone number. So let's verify our phone number. Okay, so I've been able to verify my phone number, and then I'll go ahead and then click on finish, so I can start creating my first gig. So this is another part you need to be very, very careful of. If you notice on Fiverr, on the front page, I'll just go ahead and then show you the front page. So we have this on our first page on the website. We have people who have posted their gig. So if you upload your gig, you will also be listed on their front page. So this is if you want to create your gig, I would advise you to check out those ones related to your category, and then see how they create their gig, how they set their pricings, how they added their headers. Look at, for instance, I will create a authentic UGC video in English or German, which is very, very catchy. You know how to write a catchy header, and then so on. So just like this, I will create a beautiful web templates. So I'm just going to select categories, search tag. What did I want? Whenever they search for, it should show that it should show my gig. So I'm just going to click on, let's say writing, let's say programming and tech, and then my category website development. I'm going to select type, let's say WordPress. I'm going to what type of WordPress, is it landing page, and so on. So search tag and so on, and then save continue. Okay, I'm missing out. Okay, the WordPress features, I'm just going to pick some random stuffs. I'm going to add the plugins. Okay, yes, all SEO, all in one SEO, and you just go ahead and then just put one tag, dev. And then I'm just going to save and continue. So you can go ahead and then keep filling, and then create a cover, just like what we have here. You have to design a cover, a very nice cover that tells them this kind of service you will offer. So you go ahead and then create a cover, and then you have it. You set your pricings here. Then you have your description. You put in the requirements for the jobs you are offering, the service you are offering. So I'm going to be creating a video on how to set up your Fiverr account. So make sure you stay glued to my YouTube channel. So, and then after that, you go ahead and then publish your profile. And then after you've published your profile, people can now see you and then start sending you jobs immediately. So it's so simple to start making money from the comfort of your home. And then I'm very, very sure that after watching this video and then following every step we've taken you through on this video, you'll be able to earn more than $1,000 in just 1 week. So see you guys in our next video.